Okay.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Maybe. Yes, it's going. I'm kidding.
You told me outtakes to this.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Hey. I'm totally ready for this. I got my George Foreman ready, and we're ready to cook.
You ready?
I am ready.
Yeah. All right.
I'm ready.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark. That's Mr. Graham.
Hello. And this is Mr. Raymond.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, see, we're ad-libbing this.
Yeah.
And we are here.
You know, it's almost like we have no script whatsoever.
We have-
Almost.
we really don't.
We don't.
So, and like I absolutely loved in the 1980s, we got a little salt and
Pepper.
salt and pepper. We need to have, like we had in the 1980s, Mr. Graham, a little
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. We've got cornmeal, salt and pepper. So, Mr. Graham, why don't you push that salt and pepper right into the cornmeal?
I'll push it good.
Push it real good. And Mr. A, we have, just like in the 1980s, a little
Salt and pepper.
Salt
push
and
it real good.
Now, do you have a little bit, hey, little, push it over here, a little what?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Anybody want to push this salt and pepper right in there?
I'll push one in.
You want to push one in?
Push the salt in. Push it real good.
Salt and pepper. And as we had in the 80s, again, Mr. Graham, a little salt and
pepper.
yeah, push that over here. We can't get by without a little
Salt.
salt and pepper.
We're gonna push
that
it
real good. You need to have hominy. Hominy is husked corn. You can get that in the hominy aisle at the local supermarket. What you need to have is you need to have some salmon. I got that at the salmon aisle. First off, you need to have some catfish aisle. Catfish aisle.
Yeah, they're just like they would have had.
Actually, they're called sunchokes, and you can find sunchokes in the sunchoke aisle at your local supermarket.
And they even went out and hunted some bear and some deer.
Bear.
Yeah.
Cooking with Lewis and Clark. Bear. I can see it now.
Let's go to the store and get some.
Bear aisle. That's hot. That's very hot. But it's good.
That was really good, actually.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go, Mr. Graham.
Bon appetit.
Pan-fried catfish. Oh,
Hot.
that,
What is
it's really hot, but it is amazingly good. All right, well, bon appetit. Here we go.
Hot.
Hot. It's really hot.
Hot and delicious.
Hot and delicious.
It is. It's good.
And it's, well, it's boiling.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark. I'm Mr. Raymond,
I'm Mr. Graham.
and we're back again, whether you like it or not.
I'm just here for the food. I'm
Oh.
just here for the food. But I'm only here for the food. As always, I'm just here for the food. So.
Dang thing. Don't stop it. I will edit it. Yeah.
Okay, great, yeah.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark. Now, on days... Okay, no, right there, that's where we're going to edit this because I
Okay.
just messed that up.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
This isn't going to be one take, right? Multiple.
You could just keep it rolling until I tell you to stop it, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, it's rolling right now. Okay. Whatever.
Hey,
Cheers. There is something. Never mind.
And we have some bouillon.
Bouillon. Drop the bouillon.
And this is our boss.
Eye candy.
Wait a second. Instead of salmon, fish sticks.
Hey.
You're here.
I have absolutely no responsibilities here whatsoever.
And we're going to put the onion in there. And I completely screwed this up because you put the bacon in first.
Oh, you did.
You do.
Oh, man.
I'm not happy about this. Mr. Gimby, you want to do the honors?
Parental supervision.
All you got to do is cut the potato up into little chunks. I'm not trusting Mr. A with the sharp knife. Well, here, let's do this first.
No, it's a little nutty.
And it's a little nutty.
Yeah.
Like us.
Ask. That was good. It's not part of the show.